Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker Engine latest version on Zorin OS 17. First open any web browser, also open terminal, verify whether we have Docker or not. See, we don't have Docker, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now go to docs.docker.com. Click on manuals, then click on Docker Engine, then select install, then select. See here we don't have the Zorin OS, but if you go to terminal more /etc os-release, see its code name is Zemi and its ID is like Ubuntu Debian. Okay, so we can install by clicking on this Ubuntu. Then it will see the OS requirements for the Ubuntu are 22.04 and okay, so here code name is Gemi Ubuntu Gemi 22.04. Okay, scroll down. First we have to uninstall if there are any older versions of Docker is there. So just click on this copy button, then paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See now installation methods. I am going to install by using Docker's apt repository. So run these commands one by one. First update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. Now install the CA certificates and copy this one. Paste it. Hit enter. Both are already newer versions. Ctrl A. Now install this keyrings. Copy it. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Now import keyrings, paste it, hit enter, change the permissions, paste it, hit enter. Now add the repository to apt sources by copying first these 4 lines, copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to install the Docker by running this command. This will install the latest version, but if you want specific version you have to go to here and you have to run this command and you can select the version and you can install. So I want to install latest one, so copy this button, Ctrl L, paste it, hit enter, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Docker. Let us verify the status of the Docker service. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker service is running and it is enabled. Okay, Ctrl L. Now verify the version of the Docker that we have installed. Sudo docker hyphen version. See, we have installed Docker version 28.0.4. Okay, now verify the installation by running this hello world image. Paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully executed the hello world image. Docker image. Okay, images. See, you don't have permissions, so give sudo docker images. See, we got the image. Okay, but see here every time we are giving sudo, so to avoid this sudo privileges just give sudo usermod -a z, then group name docker, then $user, enter. But still we have to give sudo because after running this command we have to log off and log in back. Then there is no need to give the sudo command. Sudo docker version. See, here we got the full output, but if you don't give the sudo we will get the minimal output. Okay, you can log off and log in back. So in this video we have seen how to install Docker Engine latest version on Zorin OS 17. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.